which of the following part of the sun is easily visible only during a total solar eclipse? So first option is core, second is photosphere, sunspots, and D is corona. So when there is total solar eclipse, in this situation easily part which can be seen is corona. So D is the right answer. Okay. Next question, which seasons are causes by earth seasons are causes by which of the following? अर्थ सीजन मीन्स अर्थ पे जो सीजन होते हैं आर कॉजेज बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, इनमें से किसकी वजह से होते हैं? सो द फर्स्ट इज द टिल्ट ऑफ द अर्थ रोटेशन रिलेटिव टू द ecliptic orbit as earth revolves around the sun. So the first is that tilt of the earth rotation relative to the ecliptic orbit as earth revolve means घूमता है किसके? around the sun. Second is the varying amount of sunspot activity. Third is the earth orbit around the sun as an eclipse rather than a circle. Fourth is the rotation of earth during a 24-hour day. So what is the reason of seasons on the earth? So the first is the tilt of the earth rotation means जो earth है उसका झुकाव relative to the ecliptic orbit as earth revolve अराउंड द सन, कि जो अर्थ है वो सन के चारों ओर जो रिवॉल्व करता है घूमता है उसकी वजह से जो सीजन है वो बनते हैं. ऑब्वियसली हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ना एसएसटी में दैट नॉर्थ हेमिस्फीयर साउथ हेमिस्फीयर, जब जो सन की डायरेक्ट रेज है वो नॉर्थ हेमिस्फीयर पे पड़ती है तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है? समर होता है. देन जो रेज है वो साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर पे होती है तो जो नॉर्थ में क्या होता है? विंटर होता है. ओके, सो ऑल दीज आर कॉजेज बाय season. So option is first is the right option. Okay, next question, which of the following is most likely to cause a rise in the average temperature of earth atmosphere in future? means which of the following, जो हमें ऑप्शन दिया गया है उनमें से which one is the cause that raise the average temperature, जितना एवरेज नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए, that raise average temperature of earth atmosphere in future. So first is atomic warfare. Obviously no doubt atom is very harmful for the environment, atmosphere. Then CO2 from fossil fuels. Fossil fuel means burning dead organs. Then dust cloud from the volcanoes. volcano से जो dust cloud होते हैं. Depletion of earth ozone layer. So the most near option is that causes in rise in increase average temperature of atmosphere in future is CO2 from fossil fuels. Okay, CO2 from fossil fuels. So B is the right option. Next question, the accumulation of stress along the boundaries of lithospheric plates result in the which of the following? There are many type of earth layers, lithosphere, stratosphere. Okay, so lithosphere is the rock outermost part of the earth. Okay, so accumulation of stress along the boundaries of lithospheric plate result in which of the following? So right answer is earthquake. What is the reason of earthquake? When there is stress along the boundaries of lithosphere. जो lithosphere है वो क्या है? आउटर रॉक की आउटर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ है और उसमें जो स्ट्रेस होता है मतलब दबाव होता है तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है? भूकंप आता है. जैसे हमें झटके फील हो रहे हैं मतलब तो हम बोलते हैं ना कि भूकंप आ गया, अर्थक्वेक आ गया. तो अर्थक्वेक रीजन इज स्ट्रेस अलोंग द बाउंड्रीज. जो लिथोस्फीयर की बाउंड्रीज है उनमें प्लेट रिजल्ट in which of the following? That is earthquake. So first is the right answer. Okay. Next, which of the following element is a metal? Which of the following element is a metal? Se, iron, Ga. सो इनमें से कौन सा एलिमेंट है दैट इज ए मेटल? सो राइट आंसर इज डी. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आइटम विल बी अट्रैक्टेड टू द नॉर्थ पोल ऑफ ए परमानेंट मैग्नेट बाय मैग्नेट फोर्सेस? विच ऑफ द आइटम विल बी अट्रैक्टेड, कि जो नॉर्थ पोल है उसमें जब परमानेंट मैग्नेट है, मैग्नेट फोर्स है, कौन से आइटम है जो कि अट्रैक्ट होगी नॉर्थ पोल की साइड? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द नॉर्थ पोल ऑफ अनदर परमानेंट मैग्नेट, ए पॉजिटिवली चार्ज ग्लास रोड, ए पीस ऑफ आयरन दैट इज नॉट ए परमानेंट मैग्नेट, ए नेगेटिवली चार्ज रबर रोड. सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? A piece of iron that is not a permanent magnet. Okay, a piece of iron that is not a permanent magnet will be attracted, that will attract to the north pole of a permanent magnet by a magnet force. Pollination by birds is called pollination, that flowering by birds is called pollination. So pollination by bird is called ornithophilia. Ornithophilia. B is the right answer. The fastest running terrestrial animal is which animal? means सबसे जो तेज एनिमल है जो दौड़ता है, चीता, लायन, मैन, जगुआर. मैन इज एनिमल, human being. So man, firstly man will not be the right answer. Then cheetah, lion, jaguar. So cheetah is the fastest running animal. Okay. As you go down into a well, कि हम well means किसी कुएं में जब नीचे जाते हैं, then your weight increase slightly, decrease slightly, remains exactly the same, none of the above. So what is the right answer? Obviously whenever we go to the down then our weight decrease slightly. जो हमारा weight है वो क्या होता है? that decrease slightly, weight decrease हो जाता है. Okay. So again look the questions. First is गैस को लिक्विड फॉर्म में टर्न करना, that is called condension. Okay. Which of the following part of the sun is easily visible during the total solar eclipse? That is the corona. Then earth season are causes by, अर्थ है वो रोटेट होती है, सन के चारों रिवॉल्व होती है, that is because of that is called, क्योंकि उसका झुकाव है जो बना हुआ है, and that causes season. Which of the following is most likely to rise in the average temperature? That is CO2, carbon dioxide from fossil fuels. Accumulation of stress along the boundaries of lithosphere plate, कि जो लिथोस्फेयर हमारी जो रॉकी आउटर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ है, अगर उसमें स्ट्रेस दबाव बनता है उससे क्या आता है? भूकंप आता है, उससे हमें झटके फील होते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एलिमेंट इज ए मेटल? दैट इज Zd. Which of the following item will be attracted to the north pole of a permanent magnet by a magnetic force? So north pole of another permanent magnet, positive charge, piece of iron, that is piece of iron, that is not a permanent. So C is the right answer. That is not a permanent magnet, will be attracted to the north pole of a permanent magnet by magnet force. Already जो permanent है उसमें तो कोई attraction नहीं होगी. So this is not the permanent magnet and that will attract toward the north pole of permanent metal. Pollination, flowering by bird is called pollination, and that is pollination by bird is called ornithophilia. Fastest running terrestrial animal is cheetah. as whenever we go the down, our weight slightly decrease. So students, read this question answer and tick the column, right column given in your book, okay? And also watch the video. If you face any doubt, any problem, you are free to ask. So after midterm 6 chapter we have completed, and this revise all the chapter for your post midterm 1 exam, okay? This 6 chapter will come in your post midterm 1, okay? First phase, post midterm first phase. If you face any problem in this 6 chapter, the syllabus given for your post midterm, you are free to ask, okay? Thank you students.